Your toilet could be flushing $1,200 down the drain every single year, and you don't even know it. I ignored that running sound for 3 months. It cost me $300. But here's the thing. I fixed it in under 5 minutes with things I already had underneath my sink, and I'm gonna show you how. So if you hear this sound that I'm gonna play from your toilet, you're literally just like me. You're wasting money. Let's get this fixed. Here's what most people don't realize. A running toilet can waste over 200 gallons of water every single day. And what's your water company doing? They're charging you for every single drop. The signs of a running toilet are obvious once you know what to look for. Constant hissing or gurgling from the tank of the toilet. Random phantom flushes when nobody's even close to the toilet. The water level in the upper tank of the toilet constantly fluctuating. So I'm gonna show you a fix that works 95% of the time for all of those symptoms, and it takes just 5 minutes. So all you need to fix this is a $5 flapper from Amazon or any hardware store that's close to your home. I'll put the link for this one for Amazon right up here and also in the description below. Step number 1, turn off the water that's going to the toilet. That little valve and hose that's behind your toilet, turn the valve clockwise until it stops. Step number 2, flush to drain the tank completely. Quick pause. If you realize that you need more of these how do I videos in your life, hit subscribe now. I drop a new Dad on Demand video every Tuesday and Thursday covering all the topics that you wish you could ask your own dad. All right, back to it. Step number 3. Here's where most people mess up. They adjust the float that's over on the left side of the upper tank. That's wrong. Check your flapper seal first. That's the rubber valve at the bottom. If it's not sealing tight, nothing else matters. Step number 4. Unhook the chain to the flapper valve and remove it. See how worn this is? That's your problem right there. Step number 5. The new flapper goes on the same way that you took the old flapper off. Hook the chain back up, not too tight, not too loose. You want about a 1/2 inch of slack. Step number 6. Turn the water back on and test it. Now stop and listen. You don't hear anything. That's the sound of your money staying in your wallet. So the very next month after I fixed my toilet, my next water bill was down $87. That's over $1,000 of savings every single year. And guess who's not getting my money now? The water company. So in just 5 minutes of work, that was $1,000 saved. So go check your own toilet. Like seriously, go check it right now. I'll be here. And if it's running, watch this video again. So if you found this video helpful, definitely hit the subscribe button. Every single week, I'm gonna give you all kinds of easy tips and little DIY projects on how you can fix little things that are costing you all kinds of money at your own home. And if you have any questions on this flapper project, hit me up in the comments. I read every single one of them, and I'll be sure to help you with whatever your question is.